Hey all, and welcome to my little Sparkle Lab. Today I'm having an unboxing from the one with diamond art. It is the first canvas I'm getting from this company, and I'm very curious to see how it looks like. I have seen many videos and I have thoughts, and I also have some thoughts about the ordering process, but I will tell you about those on my post review when I finish this. Now, this is a kit that I will be working on June for the Winter King Storybook event. I'm not sure if I will officially take place on the event, but I am going to do a canvas from Romance Art and the series. I wanted to get one from Captured by Radiance because they are the hosts of the event, but it was only pre-ordered and it wouldn't be here in time for the event. So I went on one of the other shops. Now it came on this brown box, very well packaged, so the inside box will be very well protected, and judging by the Chinese characters I see here, it was drop shipped from the factory directly. I don't remember if I paid shipping for this, but yeah, it came straight for China and not their headquarters. Now the box, it is not in plastic as used, and in the ends it doesn't have stickers. It has one sticker here. This must be the serial number, the SKU code, the artwork, and the size. I got it in 60 by 80. It had multiple choice on sizes, which I don't like, and I got it in round drills. I'm not sure why. And here it has the name. It's the Skygleam by Romance Art, the name of the artwork. We have some socials to follow on the sides. World E-Commerce Awards for 2022 winter. Again, the socials, and on the back we have what includes some information about the company and some information about the canvas, poured glue, lace edge, velvet back, and toolkit. Now, one thing I was again confused. I wanted to get one of their toolkits so I can show it to you, but I misread the the description, and I got two toolkits. I got an additional one. Also, I remember, but I see only one bag here. Oh, 2 bags. Yeah, so we have 2 bags of toolkits. Let me put this aside. I will open just one. It's just on this branded velvet pouch, which is very nice. And let's see what we have inside. We have a card, a thank you card. And inside the pouch we have pretty much the standard. Angled tweezers, pink and branded, pretty pokey. I'm not sure I like angled tweezers. We have a nice roll of washi tape, not much of it, but it has a very nice design, and I think it will match the artwork. Doesn't have anything else. And here we have the standard white boat, a pad of wax, pink wax. I think it has 2 pieces of wax in it. The standard thin pen, squeezy, and a few multi-placers. 3 placer, a 5 and a 7, if I would guess. So I guess the other one is pretty much the same, just I want to see if the washi tape is the same or if it is different. Yes, it is different. This one is very pretty too. But the rest are the same. Okay, so I paid not much extra for a roll of cross tape. That's fine. Okay, now the drill pack is pretty nicely packed in baggies, which I like. The drills, I wanna see if they are resin or no. They have pimples on them, so they are acrylic drills, which for rounds are nice. We have an inventory sheet with the drills, so in the symbol, serial number, symbol, color by DMC, the floss and the quantity. And let's see at the canvas. One thing I have noticed on the one with the diamond art is that they have a lot of confetti, maybe not exactly necessary, and from what I see now it's another thing that I don't like. Let's see. It's poured glue, so I can roll it backwards. You don't want to do this on double-sided adhesive, but on a canvas with poured glue you're safe to roll it backwards. We have a sticker sheet here with a beautiful artwork by Romance Art. No other things, doesn't even say the artist. So we have the serial number, the size, the original artwork, the logo, and some pre-cut stickers for the containers, which is always nice to have because I kit up in containers and on the baggies, and I kit up by symbol. So we have first 1 through 9, then we have A, B, alphabet through Z, not all of them, and then we have some symbols. They look nice and clear, and it is a total of 48 colors with a lot of black. The canvas is on the lighter side. It's not as thick and heavy as other companies have, but it is the short length. It has the scalloped poked edges to avoid fraying, which is nice. And once we flip it over, we have the one with the diamond art on the top, the serial number of the canvas here. We have some nice diamonds printed on the canvas, makes it a little more pretty. The legends on both sides, along with the thumbnail of the artwork, and on the bottom we have the name, shape, size, name of the artwork, shape, round diamonds, and size 60 by 80, and here we have their socials. Also, it's not the thickest, but it is pretty thick plastic, and I see we have 2 pieces of plastic because it is in 2 parts. Oh, he's beautiful. He's beautiful. Now I want to show you what I didn't like on the first glance. You see, here where we have confetti, we have the color of the artwork on the back bleeding in the color, especially you can see it in this, bleeding in the color of the space that the drill would be used. It's not the color of the drill exactly on the background. So when you put the drills down, you will not have exactly the effect you see here. Hopefully it will not be too bad, but yeah, that is one thing I don't like. But what I see is that the symbols are pretty clear and easy to read. There are confetti areas. Confetti is when you have multiple symbols in one area and you have to change a color in your tray a lot, very often. And here we have color blocking on the background, which is one color in large areas, and you don't have to switch. You can take your multiplacer and just put them down. I'm pretty worried from the rendering because it can be a little misleading with by having these the color not being the exact drill. Let me show you what I mean. I will show you on another canvas. So we show here how the C, for example, or this U-turn are not exactly right on the color, but it is the image on the back. While on an image like this, you have the exact color on the back. It's like a square with the right color. So you can see exactly the rendering. It will not be very obvious in the areas with the color blocking, but it will be in the details. So yeah, that's what worries me a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to work on it. I'm going to get this up and work on it, as I said, on June. So you can stay tuned for updates on this, and once finished, hopefully it will go fast and I will manage to finish it during the event. I will have a post review to see how it turned out and if these parts that worry me were valid, my worries were valid, or if I am overreacting. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Oh, wait, specials. Okay, so I remember that I got it with fairy dusts because it has fairy dusts or ABs, but I don't see anything here that suggests that there are fairy dusts or ABs. And I don't see on the drills any fairy dusts or ABs. So I guess I didn't. Or maybe, no. Apparently, I didn't choose the fairy dust. I have to check my listing, my order, and see. But these are all plain drills. So I don't have any specials to show you. Will I blink it? I'm not sure. I have some specials on my spare drills, but I'm not sure if I am going to bother because I want to see exactly. It is the first time I'm doing a kit from the one with the diamond art, and I want to see exactly how it looks like as they offer it. I'm not going to make any changes. I will go from what I see. So stay tuned if you want to see the progress and the final result of it. Until next time, take good care of yourself and keep on shining. Bye!